To begin your BioSculpture full cover tips removal, shorten all tips using edge cutters. Using either an 80 or 100 grit file or buffer, break the seal and remove the gel layers down to the full cover tip. Use the nail brush to dust off the nails and apply Ethos Almond Oil, covering the buffed gel surface. Use BioSculpture tweezers to pick up a small cotton square. Saturate it with gel remover and place it onto the nail. Then use pre-cut foil to wrap the nail. Leave this for 20 minutes, then unwrap the nail. Apply Ethos vitamin dose. Then use either the sapphire tool or metal tool to carefully remove the gel. Do not try to force off the tip or use unnecessary pressure. If the tip has not been released from the nail, rewrap it for a few more minutes. Once the whole tip has been properly removed, ask your client to wash their hands. You can now proceed with your nail preparation.